In this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal thought and opinion about ICCM. Before we get into the technicals and all the interesting part, into the saucy part, first we're starting off with a disclaimer. Nothing on the channel constitutes professional and no financial advice. Everything is my personal thought and opinion. I'm never going to tell you whether to buy or sell. So just keep that in mind, okay? Everything is thought and opinion. Now let's get into it. So monthly chart. This is where it's interesting, okay? Keep in mind today we're 60% down. It's actually 50, 49.62. So 50% down is quite a lot. It's quite a lot of percentages. But yeah, so technically, this is what I had in mind. Okay, keep this in mind. Yesterday, when we were right here, I was like, okay, either he's going to go a little bit down to break the highs. Okay, that was not the case. Or the price perhaps might go into that demand area that I have right here, which is doing exactly this thing. And perhaps it might go even higher. So I'm going to move this a little bit to the left. I still have this in my mind. So this is the first scenario that I'm expecting, and then the price stops into here. Then the delivers higher than the second one that I'm expecting. So both of these scenarios are pretty valid.